Hi, my name is Wes Burke, founder of CG Cookie and co-founder of Autotroph. I wanted to welcome you to the launch day video of Core, a bundle of 9 foundational Blender courses, all recorded in the latest version, 4.2. Blender is an amazing open source software that empowers you with the freedom to create without having to navigate costly licensing, thus lowering the barrier of entry to 3D, whether you're a school, studio, or individual. It's a great time to be part of the Blender community. The challenge is navigating the abundance of Blender knowledge being shared daily, if not hourly. Ultimately, this is a good thing, but it can be overwhelming. Is the information you found consumable? Is the workflow proven by experience? Does the video encourage you not to just follow along, but to think along with them? CG Cookie has been fortunate to serve the Blender community for more than 15 years. Thanks to member support, feedback, and our team logging over thousands of hours behind the camera, we've been able to assemble some of the top tier talent in the Blender community to bring you this 9-course series called Core. Now it's kind of like the Avengers, but different. But either way, I'll let them say hello.
I'm Jonathan Lampel, and I'm teaching the fundamentals of mesh modeling, where we'll talk.
Hi, my name is Kent Trammell. I'm teaching the fundamentals of digital sculpting.
My name is Kaizen, and as part of the Core Fundamentals course, I'll be covering the most important topic for 3D, in my opinion, lighting. And so I hope...
Hi, my name is Eva Wiertwik-Ziomka, and I'll be teaching you fundamentals of materials, shading, and texturing in Blender. In these 2 courses, you'll learn about different shaders, how to make them into materials, and then further on how to add, create, or even paint textures for your own models.
Hi, my name's Phil Osterbauer, and I'll be teaching the fundamentals of animation.
Hi, my name is Wayne Dixon, and I'll be taking you through the fundamentals of rigging.
Hello, my name is Kenny Phases, and I'll be covering the fundamentals of physics in this course.
Hi, I'm Sean Kennedy, and I'll be introducing you to the fundamentals of compositing. I'll show you how.
Now, each course is designed to fit a sequential learning flow, ensuring you have a sense of direction of what to learn next. You won't find a more comprehensive curriculum recorded in Blender 4.2 anywhere. In fact, when we first got started, we didn't know if it could become a reality. Coordinating with 8 instructors from around the world, exploring different versions of alpha and beta versions of Blender to coordinate with the release of 4.2 seemed impossible. But I'm super proud to say that we did it, and it's here and it's ready for you today. All 9 courses of the Core are now streaming for subscribing members at cgcookie.com. Now, in addition to Core, subscribing members have access to hundreds of other project-based courses to help build your Blender confidence and get your questions answered by our team of dedicated instructors. Core video lessons are offered in English with Spanish subtitles, downloadable project files with direct feedback, and mentorship through built-in exercises. And if you get stuck along the way, there's a handy question and answer system below each video. Now, if memberships are not your thing, the Core bundle is for sale on the Blender Market. It includes all 9 courses, excluding exercises and feedback. Additionally, if you're just looking for an individual course within Core, that's also available for purchase a la carte. Now, I know you have a lot of choices when it comes to learning Blender online, and this may not be for you. But if you're ready to join a vibrant, focused community, gain real human feedback, get serious about Blender, challenge yourself, and stay motivated with the support of our Blender team, enroll at cgcookie.com. Myself and the entire team cannot wait to see what you create.